Here's making quarter notes, easy version. Stems up, start with a circle, color it in, and put the stem on. You could start with a circle, put your stem on, then color it in. Either way, circle, stem, color it in. I think I like doing it that way best. Circle, stem, and color it in. Circle, stem, color it in. If we wanted to do, so stems up, it's going to look like a lowercase d. Stems down, going to start looking like a P, a lowercase P or capital P. We don't have the line, so it doesn't matter. So start with a circle, put the stem on, circle, stem, color it in. So a quarter note, you have to have it colored in. If it wasn't colored in, it would be a half note, and that's a different lesson. So these are our quarter notes. Stems down, and a quarter note is going to look like stem down, the letter P. Quarter note stem up is going to look like the letter D. Now, how do you know when to use stems up, stems down? That's another lesson. I'll do that one next. So at home, if you're doing this, you should practice quarter notes with your stems up and then practice quarter notes with your stems down. For my lesson today, I'm just using a plastic bag and I put some paper inside and I can draw on it and erase. Except it's got this little hole there, so you just watch out for that. But that's an option if you wanted to make like a dry erase board at home.